Yes! Ito na, merong hagdan. You practically have everything you need here. This is where the beds are. Ta-da! Hey! Meron towel, tatlo. See, shower. I'm here up the stairs, here in Aero beds. Yes, medyo messy na kasi nakatulog na kami and it's our first day here. And last night we had a great sleep. Hey, you're back. I love how meron ditong tubo like that. Ikaw nakakain na?
Hindi pa rin. Dalawa yung isda.
Grabe! We're gonna witness the Jesus Reigns parade here in along this avenue.
Jesus reigns! Jesus reigns! Jesus reigns! Jesus reigns!
Habulin namin. Yes, Jesus reigns! I'm so thankful na somehow nakita namin yung parade. A few years back, we are also participating with, kasama rin kami sa parade for several times and sobrang enjoy. And naalala ko pa dati ng 2014, we were singing, kumakanta kami Trading My Sorrow, tapos kapag para maabutan namin yung traffic, kailangan namin tumakbo ng mabilis. Pero pang time, naku grabe, pinulikan pa ako. Muntik na pala akong mapulikan.
Ako niya ingat.
It's good to be here in Manila. In talagang Manila feels